Got Ford F-150. That was the essential wash. That was 100. And then what was that other car? It was the Cadillac. Cadillac was a deluxe wash with the shampoo and the leather conditioner. That was $175. Got a $25 tip. This took me 3 hours. Finishing up the day now. Good morning, good morning. Let's get this day started. It's early, it's cold out here. You see the frost on the cars. Today, getting ready right now to go do these 2 details. I think it's a Ford F-150 and a car. I want to say it's a Jaguar they got. They had to catch me this morning. I get prepared for that. It's 7:30. I'm supposed to be there at 8. I'm cutting it close. I'm still putting my rags and stuff in here. I gotta stop and get a coffee. I'm gonna take y'all on this ride with me today. What's going on, guys? Made it to the site. Got my guy with me, Brad.
Good.
You know.
Good morning.
Gotta get some good drone footage. Got this F-150. I think it's, F-150. Gotta do. And we got this Cadillac. It's early. That's what time it is. Nothing come to a sleeper but a dream, man. Wake up, get it, get it, get it. Not too bad. Beautiful downtown Orlando view. Definitely holla at my bro if you need some good footage in that Orlando area. Do photography, videography. As you can see, we're not lazy, we don't sleep, man. Yes, sir.
Hey, Keys, turn that stove off.
Look at God work. Sheesh. Nothing like a job well done. And we got one more. You know, I love what I do, man. 821.
Hey, Keys, turn that stove off. That mirror shine on there. Sheesh. That good old 821 shine. This was the deluxe package, so you got a shampoo and leather conditioner. Carpet's still a little damp. So I ain't put the floor mats back in. This thing showroom ready. Fresh from the dealer, smell amazing. Yes, sir. Yes, I put the mats in the back. While the carpet dry. Just like that. 3 hours, $300, and we out. Man, that thing look good. Might gotta take a picture of that thing right here. All right, clean up my mess. And I'm gonna pull back up on Brad. We got some more footage to get, some more drone footage, some driving footage. And then we're gonna link right back up with y'all, man. I know y'all don't wanna see me cleaning up and all of that. I'm gonna wrap this thing up. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, what up, what up? We back. On the way to the cameraman guy's house. We want to get some driving footage. Working on the intro video for YouTube that I might use here, there, or, you know, just some dope drone footage. I ain't been back here so long. I'm probably gonna make a wrong turn. I bet you I'm gonna fuck up. Make the wrong turn. But yeah, that's it, man. Just wanted to do something a little different today. Take y'all on a quick couple hours. I mean, I ain't gonna say a day in the life with me because it's only been about 4 or 5 hours. I guess that's a full day though. Full day for me because I'm done. We're gonna get this last little bit of footage and it's over. Oh yeah, it's further down. Yeah, if y'all like this kind of content, man, like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep it hot all 2025. We keeping it hot. Oh, no, that's not his house. Oh, there you go, there we go. Damn, it feel good when you get somewhere without GPS. I ain't gonna lie. Trying to get the angle right with this camera. Had a good day today, man. Good day, good day. That Ford F-150, that was the essential wash. That was 100. And then what was that other car? It was the Cadillac. Cadillac was a deluxe wash with the shampoo and the leather conditioner. That was 175. Got a $25 tip. Just took me 3 hours. Finishing up the day now, man. I'm gonna go ring this bell and I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a second. Cameraman back with me in Atlanta gear now. He done went to the A on me now. That game on. Getting some good drone footage to wrap up the day. Yeah, let me know how fast to drive and all that type of shit too. Just cruise like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's dope.
I'm gonna fly over and get in front.
Battery level is low.
Good.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Left.
We can go straight.
Go straight. Alright, I know y'all getting tired of that dinging, man. I'll get back to y'all in a minute when we done, man.
Hey, Keys, turn that stove off. At the back. Okay. Oh, yeah, that was just a movie.
Some folks is probably like, yo, what the hell?
Nah, for real. I seen the Amazon guy looking like, when I was squeezing through and then he looked and I seen him look up at the drone, look back at it, like, what the hell they got going on? Nah, that shit gonna come out dope. Yeah, you know, you need my guy, YouTube at Brad the Gym. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and end this video off, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the day out with me today. We're gonna keep more coming all year just like that. Holla at me, man. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I'm gonna leave links to the website to go check out the car diffusers, the air fresheners, couple products that we got. And until next time.